Want to learn how to find a ServiceNow mentorship training course and schedule a demo session on the Thinkscaler workshop website? Let's walk you through it step by step. First, open the Thinkscaler workshop website using the URL displayed on your screen. Once you land on the homepage, click on the Get Started button to explore available courses. Here, you'll find a list of mentorship training programs. Simply choose the one that fits your learning goals. For example, let's select ServiceNow Scripting Training. Clicking on the course will take you to its detailed page. This is where you can explore everything about the training. Scroll down to view in-depth information about the course, including key features and benefits. You can also click on Course Content to check the syllabus, FAQs, and other important details. Now, let's go back and schedule a demo session. Click on the Schedule a Demo button. This will automatically open WhatsApp, either WhatsApp Web on your computer or the WhatsApp app on your phone. You'll notice a pre-filled message ready to go. Simply hit Send, and your request will be shared directly with the Thinkscaler team. And that's it. You're all set to explore the course and book your demo session.